In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert area of a circle formula in Excel. If you want a clean, professional-looking version of the area of a circle formula to appear directly in your worksheet, Excel has a built-in equation you can insert in just a couple of clicks. This is great for documentation, dashboards, or any sheet where you want the math clearly displayed alongside your data. Start by opening the worksheet where you want the formula to appear, and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. The Insert tab is where you add objects to your sheet, and it includes tools for charts, illustrations, symbols, and equations. Look toward the right side of this tab for the Symbols group. There, you'll see the Equation command, often marked with a PI icon. Next, don't click the Main Equation button. Instead, click the small arrow beside it. That arrow opens Excel's gallery of ready-made equations. Using the arrow matters because the main button drops in a blank equation box, while the arrow gives you a curated list of common formulas you can insert instantly without building them from scratch. From the gallery that appears, choose Area of a Circle. Excel will place a formatted equation box onto your worksheet showing A equals PR2. The pi symbol and the squared exponent are typeset correctly, giving you a crisp, readable formula that looks great in print and on screen. The equation sits on top of the grid, much like a shape or text box, so you can position it wherever it makes the most sense in your layout. A few tips to make it look its best. You can drag the equation box to move it and use the sizing handles to adjust its overall footprint. If you want it to match the scale of your headers or titles, select the equation and adjust the font size using the standard font controls. Keep an eye on alignment with nearby cells so your sheet stays tidy and professional. Before sharing or printing, use Print Preview to confirm the equation is fully visible and not clipped at the page edge. This equation is for presentation and reference. It shows the relationship between area and radius, where IR is the radius of the circle. Remember, radius is half the diameter, and your area will be in square units that match your radius units. That's all it takes. Go to Insert, open the equation gallery with the arrow, and select Area of a Circle for a polished, math-ready formula in seconds.